Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're flying with Kenya Airways in 2026, don't let baggage fees catch you by surprise. In this video, I'll explain the official Kenya Airways baggage allowance in 10 simple points, including checked baggage, cabin baggage, size limits, special routes, infant baggage, and important travel tips that could save you money. So stay until the end, because I'll also share a few important packing tips every traveler should know. Let's get started. Point 1. Checked baggage basics. Kenya Airways follows the piece concept, meaning your baggage allowance is based on the number of bags you're allowed to check in, along with the maximum weight for each bag. Your exact baggage allowance depends on your cabin class, destination, and ticket type. Always check your e-ticket before traveling because code-share flights may have different baggage rules. Point 2. International routes. For most flights between Africa and Europe, America, the Middle East, and most Asian destinations, business class, 2 checked bags, up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds, each. Economy class, 2 checked bags, up to 23 kilograms, 50 pounds, each. These are the standard allowances on most Kenya Airways operated international routes. Point 3. Special route exceptions. Some routes have different baggage allowances. 4. Bangkok left right arrow Guangzhou, Bangkok left right arrow Guangzhou, Nairobi left right arrow Mumbai. Passengers receive business class, 1 checked bag, maximum 32 kilograms. Economy class, 1 checked bag, maximum 23 kilograms. Always verify your itinerary because these routes are exceptions. Point 4. Africa and AMP, domestic flights. For flights within Africa, business, 2 bags, 32 kilograms each. Economy, 2 bags, 23 kilograms each. For domestic Kenya flights such as Nairobi to Mombasa, Kisumu or Malindi. Business, 1 checked bag, 32 kilograms. Economy, 1 checked bag, 23 kilograms. Point 5. Frequent flyer benefits. If you're an Asante Silver, Gold, or Platinum member, Kenya Airways gives you 1 extra checked bag. That means, economy passengers receive 1 additional 23 kilograms bag. Business passengers receive 1 additional 32 kilograms bag. It's a valuable benefit for frequent travelers. Point 6. Cabin baggage. Business class passengers may carry 2 cabin bags, maximum dimensions 55 x 25 x 35 centimeters each. 1 personal item, total weight up to 18 kilograms. Economy class passengers, flights to or from the EU, UK and USA, 1 cabin bag, 1 personal item, total weight up to 12 kilograms. All other routes, 1 cabin bag, 1 personal item, total weight up to 10 kilograms. Personal items can include handbag, laptop bag, small backpack, camera bag. Maximum size, 40 x 15 x 30 centimeters. Passengers are also allowed 1 duty-free shopping bag. Point 7. Checked bag size rules. Each checked bag should normally weigh no more than 32 kilograms, have total dimensions of 158 centimeters or less. Kenya Airways also recommends keeping bags around 23 kilograms for easier handling whenever possible. Every checked bag should have a luggage tag showing your full name, address, phone number both outside and inside the bag. Point 8. Infants and AMP, special assistance. Infants under 2 years old who do not occupy a seat receive 1 cabin bag up to 12 kilograms, 1 collapsible stroller, 1 car seat, all free of charge. Passengers using wheelchairs or mobility devices may also transport 1 mobility aid free of charge. Point 9. Extra baggage and AMP, pooling. If your baggage exceeds the free allowance, excess baggage charges apply. Families traveling together can combine the number of checked bags, but the weight of individual bags cannot be combined. For example, 2 passengers with 2 23 kilograms bags each cannot check 1 bag weighing 26 kg and another weighing 20 kg. Each bag must stay within the individual weight limit. Passengers purchasing an extra seat for comfort usually receive the same checked baggage allowance as a normal seat. Point 10. Restricted items. Never pack dangerous goods such as explosives, flammable liquids, compressed gases, corrosive materials, radioactive substances. Lithium batteries, power banks and some electronic devices have special packing rules, so always check Kenya Airways' dangerous goods policy before traveling. And that's the complete Kenya Airways baggage allowance guide for 2026. Remember, baggage rules can change, and if you're flying on a codeshare or partner airline, different baggage policies may apply. Always check the baggage allowance shown on your e-ticket or the official Kenya Airways website before your flight. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest travel guides. Also, leave a comment below with your travel route, and I'll do my best to answer your baggage questions. Thanks for watching, have a safe flight, and I'll see you in the next video.